In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create colorful storybook in minutes with Google Gemini for free. First, open Google Gemini in your web browser and sign into your free account. If you're new, follow the on-screen prompts to set one up. It only takes a moment. Once you're on the Gemini home screen, you'll see a section called Gems. Think of gems as ready-made mini tools inside Gemini that handle specific tasks with just a prompt, which makes creative projects fast and simple. Click into Gems, then select the Storybook option. This gem is designed to turn your ideas into a complete children's story with visuals, so you don't need any design or writing experience to get a polished result. When the Storybook gem opens, you'll see a space to enter your prompt. This is where you tell Gemini exactly what to create. In the prompt box, type the following clear instruction. Create a colorful children's storybook titled The Magical Forest Adventure. Include bright illustrations for each page, fun characters, and a playful, engaging storyline suitable for ages 4 to 8. This prompt sets the title, defines the tone and audience, and requests illustrations alongside the text, which ensures you get a lively, age-appropriate book with visuals on every page. After you paste or type that in, submit your prompt. Now, wait patiently until it finishes. The system is generating both the narrative and the images, so it may take a minute or two. Keeping the tab open and letting it run without clicking away helps it complete smoothly. As it works, Gemini is interpreting your title, creating a simple, friendly plot that suits young readers, and composing bright, whimsical scenes to match each page. The illustrations are designed to be eye-catching, and the language will be approachable, with short sentences and lots of playful moments that hold a child's interest. When the process completes, you'll see your storybook assembled with pages, pictures, and text. Skim through and notice how the characters, colors, and pacing feel inviting for ages 4 to 8. The title, The Magical Forest Adventure, anchors the theme, while the colorful art ties the scenes together. That's all you need to do. Open your Gemini account, go to Gems, click the Storybook gem, enter the prompt exactly as described, and wait for it to finish. You now have a bright, engaging children's storybook created in minutes, for free, ready to share, read aloud, or enjoy on screen.